All right, we are here at Xtreme Raceway Park, Ferris, Texas. Friday, June 27th. We're going to be running the 580 Index class. And Dudley just walked in. Show me about that shirt you got on.
This is a Cat's Meow here.
And it is called a Ultra Chill shirt.
Ultra Chill.
It runs, it's got a cool can in the car, and it pumps water through that shirt, keeps you cool.
Plug it in, quick connects, turn the pump on, circulates cold water. I got ice and water in the tank, and it's awesome. So far it's awesome.
Fix to take it on its first run.
Yeah, maiden voyage.
I think it's gonna change the reaction time a lot. Anyway.
And I'll get you some ice.
It's almost, or it is 6 o'clock, so it's time for the track to go hot. So we're going to be going up there in just a minute. Got a 587. All right, went a 587 on that run. Had too much wheel speed. We're changing the rear tires from 5.5 to 5.3 pounds. See if that'll help it out. I think the track's a little dirty. We'll see. 583. First pass, Dudley did a 080 light. On the second pass, he did a 035 light. So that's coming together step by step. Air's getting better, track's getting better, tightening up a little bit. So we're just gonna keep on creeping up on it. Did a 583 last time. We'll see how it goes this time. We aborted that last pass because we had spilled a little bit of water in the floorboard. Tried to wipe it up, but some of it drained down into the transmission drip pan. And when we did the burnout, it sloshed out and got on the track. So we had to abort that one. All right, gonna do a quick recap. Our first testing tune was a 587. Our second testing tune was a 583, and then our third one, we had to board it. But we'll be back here tomorrow and continue on. All right, day 2, Saturday, June 28th. Going up to the lanes for another testing tune. Track temperature about an hour ago was 152 degrees. About 95 degrees ambient temperature. Density 3,400 feet. Gonna leave it the tune alone and see how it does under these conditions, so we'll have a boundary. All right, here we go.
running good, so I'm going to put some timing back in it.
Yeah, here's a 590, which is what we were expecting.
Calais down the tower side, stopping the clock with a 578, 120 plus miles an hour. Trouble for Sam Wilbur out of Royce City with the white Nova. Coach Snow across the finish line.
That's pretty decent.
Only 41 miles an hour. Something not right for Family.
Man, good and straight.
590 with an 8, okay. Yeah, my bar was a little bit down, so it's probably spinning a little bit at the end.
Well, it feels like it just been locked down.
Next up, Frank Kotek with the Vega hatchback takes the Elder Dodge.
Just didn't have any power, okay.
And Kenny Moses from Mansfield.
Look at that light, look at that light.
That's what I said, 059.
Beautiful black Gen 2 Camaro.
All right, our first qualifying pass was a 590. A little bit slower than yesterday, but the air density went up, so we was expecting it, and we wanted to get that run in to have a boundary for that air condition. Anyway, gonna put some more timing in it, see if we can make up the gap. Okay, the last qualifying pass was a 582. I don't remember if I recorded this or not. It's 582. We put some more timing in it. The air's getting better and better. So we're gonna leave her alone. Should come into its own around a 580 this next
Once again, race fans.
In the first round of competition, we accidentally deep staged the car, which disqualified us. And so we went out in the first round. We did enter the buyback. There was a bit of time between the two races, so we brought you some footage of what was going on in the pits and otherwise. Yeah, there's always a crowd at the Bonding Time Camaro. We have a good time visiting all the fans.
Green lights on both sides and white lights on the tower side. Longoria 791 at 77.8 miles an hour. Milliken with an 843 goes under the dial at 70.2.
Follow DC Racing.
Yep.
Follow, like, everything. Y'all got your camera?
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera on.
7-0 index lanes 1, 2, 3. 7-0 index lanes 1, 2, and 3.
Okay, coming through the lanes for first round of buyback. how it goes. All right, that is it for June 28th, 2025. We broke out in the first round of the buyback. We knew the air had gotten better, so we added some air to the rear tires and we turned down the timing, but apparently didn't turn it down enough. But we were gathering more data as we go, so we'll just be able to get it tighter and tighter every time. If you want to see all the racing action from DC Racing and the Bonding Time Camaro, please subscribe to Featherhawk Racing channel. Like and share. We appreciate your support. We got a lot of plans for the rest of this season and next season. So tune in and see what happens. Thanks.